Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is up.
It is officially the move-in vlog, and I should be starting this vlog happy, but I'm actually starting this vlog so annoyed it's not even funny. It's the day before I officially move into my apartment. I actually got my apartment keys yesterday. That all went smoothly, but I can't officially move in until tomorrow, which is Friday the 28th. And basically what happened was I rented a Home Depot truck, and they canceled the truck on me 4 different times, so I literally had to cancel the whole reservation. Keep in mind, I had to repurchase the truck every single time I tried to get it, and it was really annoying. I talked to like 10,000 different people, and they basically were all telling me the same thing, and then I would talk to somebody else and they would tell me just to repurchase it and that they would refund me, and they did refund me, but it takes 3 to 5 days to actually get refunded, and then it just kept getting canceled, and it was really annoying. And I'm moving at 7 a.m. tomorrow, so I needed something that was for sure going to be legit, so I decided just to go with U-Haul. And I didn't do U-Haul in the beginning because they charge $2 per mile, and Home Depot just was like a flat rate, and it ended up being like pretty similar to the cost. I was just trying to save money, and honestly that didn't work. So I was really annoyed, and kind of still am, but I got that all situated, and tomorrow we're gonna start moving in. It's gonna be me, Chad, my mom, my dad's working and my brother can't help me, and my friend Brianna, and then maybe my grandma. So it should be fun. So I just needed to start that vlog by telling you guys this because I feel like it's just a huge part of the story. But I'm gonna go to sleep, and we're gonna wake up early, go to the gym, and start moving into my new apartment, and I'm so excited. We just got to the U-Haul place, and we are about to pick up our truck. This is the U-Haul we're getting. Just got the keys. Chad just got in the car. We're gonna go to Jersey City now. Chad doesn't clear the entrance to the garage, so we're trying to figure that out. Just got into my apartment, and we're gonna start packing up the truck. We officially started the process. I have all my bed drawers and blankets here, and Brianna and Chad have the bed in the other elevator, and we couldn't clear the truck, so we're basically just bringing everything out and going back and forth.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces.
This is the progress. We're just putting all the boxes and stuff on this side of the truck, and we have the bed drawers and the bed already in the truck. Packed up most of my apartment, and now we're going to go to my house in Wayne and switch out my mattresses and get my dresser. The truck is pretty much full, and so is my mom's car and Chad's car. I have this seat open for Brie, and we're gonna go there now. It's 11:30. We have the truck until 6 now, so we're not as stressed, but still kind of stressed. We just got to my house, and we're going to move this bed and this dresser into the truck and switch out my vanity and the other bed and put the other bed here. We just got the bed from my apartment into my house, and then the vanity as well, and now we're gonna go to my apartment. This is the apartment. I love it. This is the bedroom, and then the living room and the kitchen. We literally just have an empty box. Not sure why, but this apartment is so nice. I'm literally in love with it already. Our plan right now is just to put everything in the middle of the floor just so we can wash everything, order some food, and make sure everything's really clean. Other than the dresser because it was heavy, so we put it in my room already. But that is the plan right now. Literally so hot. The truck doesn't clear the garage again, so it's a long walk. Pretty good progress so far. Me and Brianna just ordered pizzas and chicken fingers and salad, and then we also Instacarted dishwasher soap, washer soap, and then sponges and stuff like that so we can clean. We just got all of my bedding in, and we're going to start a wash of that after, but everything is going pretty well, and it's very hot outside. New Jersey's in a heat wave right now, I'm pretty sure, so it's not the best outside wise, but it's a good workout. But packing and moving is a whole process. I forgot to tell you guys, but I ordered this Hobbit mirror from IKEA, and it got delivered today, and I'm genuinely so excited. I think I'm going to put it on this wall or this wall. We have to figure it out.
I've been traveling
come back, and all the memories again.
We just got everything moved into my apartment. My mom left and I just started a load of wash just to get everything cleaned. Now I think me and Brianna are literally going to unbox everything because we don't know where anything is, so it's kind of hard to organize. And hopefully Chad will build one of my pieces that I need built.
No.
Chad!
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather, get lost in the B-roll, let all the window to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could all of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go.
Me and Bree are going through all the boxes. Chad just built one of these like organization things for my closet, and now he's building my vanity, which is from IKEA. IKEA gets the job done, but sometimes it's hard to put together, so we'll see how hard it is because there's like 100,000 instructions. But I think we're making good progress by just taking everything out of the boxes and like organizing. I got this mirror from Amazon, and then this desk is from IKEA, and I'm planning to put this mirror on top of the vanity in my room, but Chad still has to build some of it. He just had to go return the truck. Just reloaded the dishwasher with new dishes and stuff. We are now going to put spices in my little spice rack that I got. I brought some from my apartment. We just put all the spices in this little acrylic little spice rack, and I think it looks really good. We're gonna leave this in probably one of these cabinets. Also, we put the utensils in the drawers, but we're gonna organize it later. I got these really cute mugs from Etsy, which I'm obsessed with, and then I also got these little cute wine glasses from Marshall's to put on my bar cart that we're going to make. But this is the progress. Everything looks a lot better over here, and a lot of this is garbage that we have to take out, so we're making really good progress. I I just ordered Instacart and it was so much money, but I figured I'd do a haul because this is like the first official grocery haul of my apartment. So I got these chips, salt, pickles, pizza bagels, Texas toast croutons. Then I got garbage bags because there's so much garbage here and I have literally nothing. I got some pasta because I'm gonna make penne vodka, and then I got olive oil, some eggs, and a cucumber. I got some Fruity Pebbles for Chad, salad, some heavy cream, and some chicken because when I make the penne vodka, I'm going to make chicken with it. Breadcrumbs for the chicken and grated cheese. Tomato paste, garlic, and garlic bread. Some vinegar, butter, sugar-free syrup that Chad likes, Old Bay seasoning for Chad, some popcorn kernels, and an onion. And then I got pancake mix for tomorrow and some ketchup. I also got Coke Zero and Gatorade Zero, and I'm just gonna put all this away, just some like starter stuff we needed to get. I am going to continue to clean and sort through boxes because I still have a lot. And then tomorrow, I'm going back to my old apartment because I have to finish out moving that stuff before Monday, so this is gonna be a long vlog. For right now, I'm putting all of my clothes and shoe boxes in my closet, and I will make another video about them because I want it to be separate, but I need it like out of my room so it's not all cluttered because it's making me really stressed out. So I'm just gonna throw everything in my closet for now, and we'll do this in another video. Just focusing on cleaning everything. I actually just ran my shower and kind of tried to clean that out. So I'm just going to clean the countertops and focus on unpacking and cleaning. And then I'm kind of just putting the stuff that I have out in places. So I just cleaned out this little cabinet for under my sink, and I'm just going to put the toilet paper in there, but I'm not gonna organize it because I'm gonna do dedicated videos. So I'm just gonna kind of put it in there for storage and then work one room at a time.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows.
Chad just finished building my 4 little shoe containers, which will make sense in my closet video, but basically they're gonna go on their sides and hold all the shoes. And now we're just opening some more boxes and figuring out what is what. Then I ordered a stool from IKEA to go over there next to my other stools, and Chad's building that now. And then I am going to just continue to go through boxes. I know I keep saying that, but there's literally just so many. Chad just actually finished building both of my shoe shelves. So he built 4 of those and then built 1 more of my stools. You have to buy either 1 or 2 more just because the island is a lot bigger than the one at my old apartment and it just looks weird with 3. But it'll do the job for now. Chad is actually going to start putting up my TV. I got a 50-inch Samsung TV and the one in my old apartment was a 43-inch. I'm gonna put that one in my room and then have the 50-inch out there in the living room. I also ordered a couch off of Amazon, which is supposed to come in a week, so we are going couchless for right now, but I feel like that's really normal when you first actually move into an apartment. I am waiting for my washer and dishwasher to finish so I can actually flip that over, and then I'm sure you guys could have guessed that I am still unboxing and cleaning. Like I said, right now I'm literally just putting things away, and then I'm gonna have my friend Brianna come over and I'm gonna make all different videos about actually organizing things, doing transformations and stuff like that. So this is a sneak peek of what my bedroom is going to look like, but it's obviously very plain right now. So stay tuned for the bedroom transformation video because that's going to be really cool. I'm probably going to talk in that video and then show me setting up my room and then also show the transformation as well. So just so you guys know to stay on the lookout for that. And I'm gonna go help Chad put this TV on the wall. Change of plans, we don't have the right material to put that TV up right now. So we're actually going to secure this mirror on my vanity over there. Success! Looks really good. Now we're putting this mirror up on that wall.
I didn't get hurt.
Chad just finished putting up this mirror and it looks really nice. I do just have to clean it. I just got back to my old apartment and honestly everything is pretty cleaned out in the closet, but there's a lot of stuff here that I am still working with and I'm alone right now and I forgot like boxes, so I don't know how this is really gonna work, but this is kind of like the process and how everything is looking here.
You were always overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop tying yourself into way too many knots. Just relax and feel the flow.
I just moved a whole car by myself and there was like a glass table I had to move. It was actually really hard. Everything's in the back and in the trunk and also some things are over here. I'm gonna go to Home Depot now. I have to get some things for building my TV and stuff and then we're gonna go back to my apartment. This apartment still isn't cleaned out, so I do have to come back later, but I need a break because they turned off my air. They turned off my refrigerator, so all my food went bad and it's okay, but like I am literally so hot. I feel like I just went in a sauna at the gym, so I'm gonna go home and then I'll come back later. Hi, can I have a grande strawberry acai with lemonade, but can I do no berries and very light ice, please?
All right, 520 at the window.
Thank you. So now Chad's putting this TV together and I think that we're going to put it on this wall right here. I'm planning to put my couch here and then put picture frames over my couch, put this tree in that corner and then have a ottoman thing for my TV here and then put the TV here, a rug here, and then a little table. So I think that'll look good, so that's what he's working on now. So the TV is now up and Chad put little LED lights behind it and I think it looks pretty good. You can like change the colors. Right now I'm actually going to go to the gym because I want to go to Orange Theory and I need a break from like moving in. I am so tired. I think that's going to be the end of this vlog because I am doing all like transformation videos and I don't want to give too much of the decorating part away. And also for the moving in part of this vlog, I am all moved in. I have a couple more Amazon boxes coming and a few more furniture pieces coming, but I'm going to put that in another vlog I'm making. So this is the end of my part 1 of moving in and moving out of my old apartment, and then we'll have transformation videos like bathroom, kitchen, room, living room, stuff like that. And then I'll do an apartment tour and also a first week living in my apartment. So there's a lot more videos still to come. I just don't want this one to be too long. Overall, the move-in process went pretty well. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.